In this video, we'll show you how to install a 2-tile white reindeer antler chandelier. Along with all parts of the light fixture, we need a screwdriver and a plier. Before installation, cut the power. Step 1. Assemble the base. Fix the short-threaded rod to the base with washers and nuts, and screw in nut with side hole. Then install the antler finial to the base. Step 2. Install light arm and connect main wire. Insert light arms into the base, fixing with washers and nuts. Twist wires together, matching the color. Feed the main wire through the side hole. And connect main wire to wire bonders in the same color with wire connectors. Slide down the long threaded rod and secure it to the nut with side hole. Put on the round plate and central column. Step 3. Install raising antlers. Fix raising antlers to the central body with washers and nuts. Rest the central body into the central column, fixing the nut. Install cover plate, fixing washer and nut. Step 4. Connect chain to light fixture and canopy. Disconnect and screw the bottom chain connector onto central body, fixing the screw. Connect chain to the bottom chain connector. Then, insert the mounting rod into canopy, add a ground wire, and fix the connector and screw. And feed the main wire through the chain, mounting rod, and canopy. Step 5. Fix the mounting strap and connect wires to wires in ceiling. Step 6. Hang the canopy and fix the screw. Step 7. Install sleeves and bobs. That's it. Turn on the power and test. For more information about Homery and our products, please visit our website.